In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can work within Excel and group together or pull together information into one item. So in the workbook that I've got open, you can see here I've got the individual's town, the county they're from, and their postcode. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to pull those three pieces of information together to create an address. So there's two ways of doing that. I can use the concatenate formula or I can use the and symbol formula. Either one works. So I'm going to demonstrate both because they're quite quick to do. So if I do concatenate first, I'm going to go equals concat. Now you can see once I start typing concat, Excel understands I'm using a formula because I've put the equals symbol in. Once I put the equals symbol in, Excel recognizes this is going to be a formula and starts to give me a list of formulas. So what I can do is I can select the second item there, concatenate. And when I double click on that concatenate, it then creates the formula. So it finishes concat, opens the bracket, and now is prompting me. And what Excel is saying here is text one. So this is what is your first item that you want to include in this formula. So the first item for me is going to be town. Then you can see I need to put a comma in because text one has got a comma directly after it. So I put that comma in. Now Excel is recognizing text two. So this is the next item I want to put in. It's going to be county, another comma, postcode, and then I'm going to close that bracket. So you can see now that I've got my address all in one line using that concatenate formula. I'd also like to show an alternative formula, which is the and symbol formula. This will give you the exact same thing and perhaps a little bit quicker. So again, I'm going to open the bracket, I'm going to select town, use the and symbol, select county, use the and symbol, and then click on postcode. So that gives you the exact same address as a concatenate. So either one, it's up to yourself, whichever one you want to use. The other thing that I just like to demonstrate is you can see there that the address, there's no spaces between it. So I would like to have spaces between each of the addresses. Now that's quite easy to do. So I can just hit F2, which will open up the formula for me again. You can see that the color icons are a descriptor of where that data is coming from. And then if I just select immediately after my first and symbol, go to open up a bracket, put a space, close the bracket. I'll do that after the second and. Open up a bracket, close bracket, and then put another and behind it. I need to put another and behind this G, otherwise it won't know what to do. And then I'm going to close the bracket. So you can see now that's more like an address. I can see that there's a gap between it. I do have the option to do something else if I wanted to. So immediately after that open bracket, I can put a comma. I can do the same with the second open bracket, put another comma. And now it's starting to look a bit more like an address. So it's got a space and it's got a comma. So that's how you can use the concatenate formula to pull together data, or the and symbol formula to pull together data. Hope that video was helpful. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.